Morning guys. So currently it's 6:50 and kakagising ko lang. Pero may klase kami ng 7:30. So, tara. Ayos tayo ng higaan at kain tayo.
Longer than a few minutes later. A few moments later. Longer than a few minutes later. Few moments later.
So, ito na nga guys. Tapos na yung klase natin. Pero, so main concern natin for today's agenda after nito ay more on planning. And since di nga pumasok yung mga kagrupo ko, tsaka sinasabi ko na din yung kailangan kong sabihin, might as well take me a rest. Kasi 7:30 pa kami. Aga eh. At nakagising ako ng 6:50. So, see you later guys. Para sa second class of the day.
A few moments later.
So, it's been 9 a.m. And gumanda pa lalo yung gising ko kasi kahit medyo masakit balikat. Kahit pa paano, naka-refresh naman ako. Nice. Late lang talaga ako natulog kagabi. Puwet-puwet pa naman ako eh. Puyat! So, ayun. Nag-refresh yung mind ko. And ito na guys, yung para sa PETA. Ready to draw. Para ito sa mataas kong grades. Kasi remember guys, kapag student athlete, you're a student first before you're an athlete second.
A few moments later. Longer than a few minutes later. Few moments later.
Guys, so for today's video, pagkatapos ito ng mabisang komunikasyon, ay general mathematics. So, currently, I'm working on my project, which is a performance task. Kasi, gusto ko matapos yung mga task ko before ako sasabak sa mga competition. So, kita-kits later guys para sa susunod nating subject.
Minutes later. Few moments later. A few moments later.
So, ito na nga guys. Tapos na tayo sa aking PETA at hinihintay na lang ay presentation. So, papakita sa inyo bawat side. So, ngayon, ang nakikita nyo ay yung drawing perspectives. Front view, top view, tsaka yung overall base ng bahay, yung malaki. Tapos, sa likod nito, yun yung mga computations, tsaka mga labels. Labels ng ating bahay for this. So, ayun na nga guys, ang ating ulam for today. Ang palaya, tsaka yung kahapon na pakbet.
Few moments later.
In gold front into a family of leather tanners. And then one
Few moments later.
So, ito na nga guys. Malapit na tayo sa last subject. And as of now, nandito na ako sa meet namin, which is effective community. And for today's video, ito na yung pinaka last meeting before finally makapagpahinga. And tomorrow, wala po kaming pasok because of Ninoy Aquino Day, which is August 21. So, habang naghihintay tayo'y bababa na. So, ito na nga guys, yung kakainin ko ulit. Saging tsaka tinapay. Kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. And, look at these. Kanina ko pa to pinakukuluan yung nilagang saging. Kasi ito yung gusto ko. Mas gusto ko yung nilagang saging kesa dun sa pritong saging. Kasi healthy version, to be honest. And, mag-aantay na naman tayo ng next class. So, habang naghihintay, kain na muna tayo. Kita-kits na lang later, ha? Asahan ko yan.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Yo guys, what's up? So, napagdesisyonan ko na bukas na lang ako mag-train. Kasi, wala kaming pasok bukas kasi Ninoy Aquino Day and perhaps yun yung pinaka the best time para mag-training and priority ko kasi yung health over yung sa pagpupuyat ko lang dahil sa sports. Tsaka baka mamaya makatulog na naman ako ng 12 midnight. So, ayun lang guys. Kita-kits na lang tayo, part 3. A Day in My Life, part 3. Pero this time, badminton practice version. Home edition. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.